Hello everyone. Today I'll show you hidden buttons on your smartphones that are enabled by default when you buy them. They affect how ads appear on your phone. Firstly, many people find this annoying, and you don't want to see ads that suddenly pop up and then have to skip or watch them to the end. Secondly, of course, personal data is collected from every single app on your phone. And then, ads are shown to you based on this data. And thirdly, of course, this affects your battery life, the battery life of your smartphone, and overall performance if we disable unnecessary features we don't use. Because these features are only needed by the developers of these same apps, and they simply receive information about how you use certain apps. This won't help you in any way, so watch this video to the end and make certain adjustments to improve your phone, improve its performance, and get rid of hidden apps and hidden buttons on your phone. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends. To do this, you need to use the standard settings. Click on Standard Settings. Then scroll down and find the section called Google. This is the line. Click on the Google section. Here, you need to go to All Services. Look, there are some phones where, basically, you'll immediately see a list like this. Specifically, on my phone, there are recommendations, which we don't really need. Go to the All Services tab. Here, you need to find the Security section. At the very top, or scroll down through this menu, you'll see the Ads section. Click here. Now, look at what we have here. Click on this very top line, which is called Ad Privacy. You'll see various options here, meaning different types of features that monitor all your apps. If you see zeros listed here, don't pay attention. Keep in mind that these features work without your knowledge. If you look here on the left side, they'll all be enabled. Just tap them one after the other and turn off these sliders. You can basically read up on what a given app or feature does, but it's all advertising. It's just collected in different ways. To prevent it from being collected at all, meaning your data isn't collected and sent to developers, you need to disable all of this. But, of course, that's not enough, because there's also a hidden identifier that can be shared with other parties to send you ads. To do that, you need to press the back button. There. And look here, we turn off ads here too. And you have two more options. Reset the advertising identifier and delete the advertising identifier. This is a so-called number assigned specifically to your phone, and absolutely any manufacturer can use it to send you ads. Simply reset the advertising identifier, confirm, and tap delete to delete the advertising identifier. After this, ads will be significantly reduced, tracking will disappear, and you'll be pleased with your phone's battery life. And not only that, overall, your phone will perform better. Yes, you won't get rid of ads completely, but you've already taken a huge step toward improving your smartphone's overall performance.